Hello guys, here we're back.
We're back here. We're gonna make a SHISHA. How do you call it in English?
A water pipe, would you say that?
No.
No? Why not? It's a pipe with water and some taste.
You can say that.
I say that.
If you want to say that, say that.
Okay.
Okay, so how do you make the best one? I don't know. I don't know how I do it. Alright? Normally you want to clean all this stuff before you get started, but I use it often, so no matter. Alright, you want to fill water until like here. You see this one should be a little bit in the water, so approximately half this or full up here.
Right. Okay.
So this
has to be covered.
Water.
Okay. It has to cover at least.
Yeah, it has to be covered, otherwise it won't. Don't know what happened.
Maybe you can reach the water so nothing happens.
Yeah, something.
You need the. You know, if you guys tried this before, the SHISHA or Akile, you know the sound coming when you're trying to blow the pipe. It says bloop, 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 bloop.
Alright, maybe that's a little bit too much, so.
What happens if you put too much water? The difficulty to smoke?
Yeah.
Alright. So you see, if you can see it here, let's try. See it? Yeah, right here, boys.
Alright. Now, I use this one, Cloud One. It's gum and mint. I have this one because they didn't have double apple, which is the one that tastes the best. Like, universally, no one disagrees. Double apple. But for today, see, I'm almost done with the whole package.
But you're saying, you know, universally is the best double apple. I will disagree, bro.
That's why I sold out. Because everybody loves it. It's like...
Okay, I can't say much, but you're saying universally is the best.
There's no discussion.
Maybe because they didn't produce enough, because they thought that there's not enough demand on it, and they didn't produce much, though it's sold out.
Come closer, see this. It was sold out in multiple stores.
Okay. Maybe just one guy is trying to, you know, blow it up. And now he can resell every kind of.
Alright, you wanna... Some put more, some put less. You know, you gotta fill it, cover the sides, you know, but leave this hole open.
But here it's going to get greasy, you see.
It's greasy, so hands, you know.
Yeah.
Don't touch anything else. Rinse them. Possibly even wash your hands, you know, it's coated and stuff.
But right. Do you press? When you put it down, do you put it gently to cover, or do you force somehow?
I press it a little bit.
Okay.
You can also take the stuff out and cut it with a knife, like it's an onion, you know. Cut it small, to cut it even smaller. It will work even better than it does like this, but we don't need to. Place this on top.
By
this
force?
one doesn't look, force. Making sure it's stable, you know. This one, instead of making the foil paper with the holes inside it, you can buy one of these that's always ready. You just rinse it, you know. Maybe dry it, because, you know, what I did was not the smartest maybe. Now, these ones are the cold. You can find better ones. These ones suck, but it's the ones we have. You want to open the window, because the smell is not the best.
Right.
Start. And you don't want to put them on top before they're like burnt through.
Right. So
because the taste will decrease. Okay, so now you see, I don't know if you see that on the video. It's burning.
Sizzling at least.
Place one there, and then place one on top. Hopefully it will take the fire from the heat.
Wow, that's smart though. I like that.
And meanwhile,
efficient. I smell the burning now. It's not.
Don't inhale it too much, because it's not.
We're trying to make a chain reaction. If you ever thought of any kind of chain reaction, it could be in your class for science. It could be anything. It could be corners in the fucking football match. Sorry for the language, but it happens.
Yeah, you see, corner kicks, man. Alright, I don't know if this one turned on. If not, it should soon. But see, and this you don't want to breathe this in. So you don't even want to. Now it's on. You don't even want to put it on top yet, because it's poison basically. You know, you're not gonna die, but you will not feel super duper after that.
Right.
So you want to wait. Now they're all on, you know. So you want to wait until they're a little bit white.
Right.
Because then they burn through all the crap in the start. Basically now they're ready to put on top. But wait until they're white, it's better.
Okay.
And give them, at least two of them, some air from the bottom.
What I know, do they look to seem they're not catching fire any longer?
No, now they're on. Look here.
They're on. Alright.
See the small red?
Mm-hmm.
The red there?
Right.
I don't know if you see it, but here in the edges, it's like where it becomes white. So now it's going to take approximately 5 minutes.
I see it on this side as well. I'm trying to tell him. Not this guy. This guy doesn't look to catch fire, but this one.
Here.
Yeah. And the next one as well. It smells awful, as you say.
Yeah, it's not the best smell. Then basically when they're almost all white, you place them on top. You wait another 2 minutes. Then you wanna attach the hose,
Mm-hmm.
and you will, you know, like live your best life, you know, in the balcony. All right, let's say I will come back on the balcony. Okay. Give us 2 minutes.
Hey guys, we're back. Hey. What's up? What's up? What's up?
So now we have the hose. We're outside.
So you see, transformation of the coals here. It's not because we did some editing or something, bros. No, man. It's natural, man.
All right, so put them on top. You know, start to heat up the tobacco.
Would you like to dress off the coal a little bit? You know what I'm saying? Like hit it a little bit so the rest of the coal is gonna not impact your smoking. Do you know what I mean?
No.
Okay, I could try to rephrase. Like right now the coal is like still whole. You still got 100% of it, but in fact later on when you smoke you need to clean the coal, because there's some rest of the coal left which you don't want to go down inside the grills here.
Oh, yeah, you will clean it.
Yeah.
Somehow.
But not yet.
Not yet.
Not yet. All right.
They're not even there. So plug the hose.
All right. Only one entrance here. So at few Aguilers there's more than just
yes,
one.
Yes, one over here as well. If
All
you
right.
want, you can twist it.
All right.
It's not a commercial for this particular model, you know.
No, but bro, I'm just saying what we see, man. You know. And then you see him.
Make sure that this is clean, you know, because you don't want to stick anything in your mouth.
Right. You hear the noise? You see here water? It just goes up to cover it, like this amount. And you see the coal as well. It's getting to catch fire again, if you say so. So it's gonna become heated as well, simultaneously when he's inhaling and blowing on it. He's not blowing on it, sorry. He's inhaling it, of course.
And now it's almost on. You know, if you could talk like that, like turn it on. It's almost on.
All right. So
and you can see it fills with smoke here. Smoke gets sucked out of this one.
So just a few blows to start the whole process, and then when it starts, I guess, not now, right?
It's basically on.
It's on.
But it will take a few more puffs before it gets, you know, like to the level that you want to take your Instagram photo with. You know,
right.
where it's smoke everywhere.
Right. And be careful here. It's hot. This stuff is hot. But this one I haven't seen before actually. I usually, when I do it, once I smoke, I use it and use foil paper to make, and then after that I put holes in the foil paper in order to let the heat come through. You see
take
here?
Them down and rinse them a little bit.
Right? You see him?
For the ashes not to drop down to the tobacco. Now okay, it's a little bit early, but after a few more minutes a lot of ashes will drop, you know. It's better to catch it early on, not to inhale it. As well as time goes on, you might turn this one, twist it a little bit like this, little, you know, so
Alright.
the tobacco below gets burnt in different places.
Ah, evenly burnt. Like
Yeah.
you get to. Oh, the ashes. You see, he put here, and then it goes down to my coffee, and he says nothing. You see? What the shit?
Now I'm ready for the Instagram.
Let's see. And I see the evenly burnt. Yeah. There's so much wind out here, so he can make a proper one. But you see the thickness of the smoke. That's it,
It's
bro.
coming, man. It's
Yeah.
coming, that's it.
That's it.
Now I guess that we'll shout out Giannis Antetokounmpo for MVP. Once more. Free Pete, you know? Free Pete, he did it 2 times already, he's gonna do it the 3rd.
I'm not sure, bro. I'm not sure, bro.
So.
That's right. To get it evenly cooked, just like anything else, you know. Twist it. I'm
Yeah.
not gonna touch this device here, man.
And we're not gonna promote tobacco, because tobacco is not good for you, and this is not for kids. But if you're a grown up, do it, why not? Alright, signing off.
Subscribe, guys.
Subscribe, and that's it for now.